look at that sunrise. That's just beautiful. It's like a canvas and someone just painted it. Alright, so it is September 25th, 24th, just after a hurricane went past New England. So it's cold, it's in the 50s. I don't know if the fishing is going to have changed at all, but I guess we'll find out pretty soon. You know, water definitely feels in the 60s now. And there's seaweed everywhere and clothes. I can feel it all around my legs. Oh, this is nasty. Pop this down. Lock it in. Take out my key. We have power. I almost think they're small bluefish. Oh! If I got bit off, it's a bluefish. I was bit off. God damn it. My drag is pretty loose. These really look like small bluefish. Alright, I just want to see what these are. Set my drag pretty loose. Stripers. The small guy. Hey, bud. Who are you hanging out with? Because you certainly wouldn't have bit me off. I know that for a fact. Feels like a striper, and it's definitely not thrashing around like a, yeah, it is striped. It's cool. Not ready to net. Is this a fall run starting? Another schoolie. And they're going for those Storm Wildeye shots. Nice. Get bigger. Head shakes felt funny. Wonder if it's a blue. Another striper. A little bit bigger. Doesn't want to come up yet. I guess it's like 27. It's a decent fish. Be ready now. That's pretty good. Oh. Let's take a measurement on that. Hello, on this tiny little wildeye. Oh, no way. Wow. 29. All right, I'm a little out of practice. That's a beaut. These guys are not being picky. They're definitely just want to eat whatever they see, whatever you throw in front of them. Because I have a tsunami swim shad. Oh, Jesus. Look at that. Not what I expected, dude. I guess everybody's a little hungry today, huh? He looks a little short. I just had a freak out moment. I thought my thing Croix was in the side rod holder. I forgot I put it in the back. Like, what the? Well, I just realized how much I really love that rod. Because I was like, no, not that one. Oh, jeez. I haven't lost a rod in over a year. I'd like to keep that stream current. Alright, these starting to look like they're bust on top water, so I might give it a try. Good one, just grabbed it right next to the boat. Like literally 2 feet away, so this guy is obviously not ready to come in. Try to get my other rod out. Get my other moor out. Yeah, nice. It's pretty. It may actually be bigger than the one I caught earlier. I gotta pull in more line. Otherwise, that's not gonna reach. Wow, you look at that beauty. Wow, perfect. Wow. It's a little bit shorter actually. Well, let's get a measurement on them. The last one was 30. Okay, I have my glove back. This guy is 27. Yep, you're going, dude. You're going. Go. Swim.